Hello and welcome to MyPO, which is a replacement of ServiceGuru's purchase order add-on. Let me show you how it works. Once you have connected to this add-on, please go to Account menu, Add-ons, and then select MyPO. As you can see, the first menu item is suppliers. You can create, edit, or delete your suppliers here. For example, you can change your supplier's contact name from Adam Johnson to William Johnson here. The second menu item is purchase orders. You can see all purchase orders here and search them via PO number, supplier name, or staff name. There are two types of purchase orders, job related and non-job related. If you create a purchase order here, it's non-job related. If you create one from the job card, it's job related. Non-job related purchase orders will have order numbers like P0-0001, whereas job-related purchase orders will have job number in their order numbers. You can download the PDF file of a purchase order from here. You can edit an existing purchase order from here. You can change the supplier, edit order quantities, or even add a new item to the purchase order. Once the purchase order is modified, you can re-download the PDF and you will see the updates. You can also email the purchase order to the supplier directly. We will demonstrate this feature in the job card. Now, let's move on to access control. This feature allows you to control who can access this add-on. You can determine if a staff member can access this add-on from job card or from here. The next section is settings. You can set up your billing address, default delivery address, account email, business phone number, and PO number rules here. Most importantly, you can also set up your purchase order template, which is a Microsoft Word file, and your email template here. You can download the default purchase order template from here. Once downloaded, you can edit it to add your logo, remove the items or columns that you don't need, add any disclaimers you need, or change the layout and style of the page to match with your company's profile. Once it's done, upload it using the Choose File button. You can set up your PO number prefix and next PO number here. Please note that the next PO number only applies to non-job relate purchase orders. You can set up your email template here. Please note that you might need to click the settings menu again to see the correct HTML editor. This is a known issue and we will fix it ASAP. Please note that only a few variables are supported in the email template. They are supplier name, supplier contact, PO number, and company name, which is your own company's name. You can change the wording, font sizes, and styles freely. You can also upload your company's logo, but please keep in mind that its maximum size is 200 by 200 pixels. You can save the settings now, and let's move on to the job card. Open up a job card and you can see that this job has 3 job materials. As all these materials have already been ordered, no purchase order will be created automatically when MyPO is activated from this job. Now I'll increase the quantity of one of the items from 3 to 5, and let's see what happens. Activate MyPO from More menu, Add-ons, MyPO. You can see that a purchase order has already been created with one item. The quantity to be ordered is calculated based on job materials on the job card, minus all existing purchase orders related to that particular job, but you can still modify it if you like. To create the purchase order, all you need to do is to select a supplier, and that's it. Now, simply click the Email PDF button. The purchase order will be emailed to the supplier. This is what the purchase order email looks like in your supplier's email box. At the same time, the purchase order's PDF has also been attached to the job card. Let's see how it looks like. Now, let's see what happens if we activate MyPO from a job card, which has everything ordered already. You can see that in this case, no purchase order is created, as there is no line items and no purchase order number either. Go to Existing Orders tab. You can see that all purchase orders related to this job are listed here. You can edit any existing order here. For example, you can update the delivery status from not shipped to shipped. You can also download the PDF files of existing purchase orders from here. Please remember to use Ctrl+Click to download the PDF file, as a simple click won't work due to ServiceM8's limitations.